This is Park Place. Botanic Garden is next. That's it. Thank you.
Put this up so I can take my home safe. Huh? I'm on the way home. You taking me home? I love you too. God bless you too. You know, I don't like to come outside at night. You don't know what these people are up to. I know. I was supposed to do the picture yesterday or today for the music, but what really happened, it was raining so much, and I wanted to get some flat shoes. So, you know, I went to Macy's, and, you know, I always tell you guys how big my feet was. I was struggling with the shoes, and I didn't know it was goodies in there. Like, Miss Olivet, you need help. My foot was so big to go in the shoes, you just couldn't go in. And they saw me, and I look around, everybody's like, look at me. And I can't get no break nowhere that I go. And I was like, oh no, everybody knows me. I know.
Botanic Garden. 2, 3, and 4.
Good night, good night. God bless you. Good night, good night. Go ahead, my love. When I come out here at night, you have to be careful. You don't know what people are up to, you know what I mean? So some people are watch me and I try to come on the same car and I move. Watch, you know. So I put my camera on, take me home. Hi, darlings. Oh, bad mind me for what? Hello, haters. Oh, gosh. God is so great, ain't it? God is so great. I know. I'm glad for my life. I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful that some of these nasty people that want to use you, they're mad because they can't use you. But I'm quite fine. I'd rather somebody not give me HIV or give me AIDS or anything than be my friend. Because if I'm not going to lay down and make you be my friend for that, it's not going to happen, bro. It's not going to happen, bro. I'm telling you straight. See me? Straight. It's not going to happen, bro. Yeah, but mine I killed him. I said something. When Maka did I eat the banana, when my song, he match his song. So rapper I want something I show with Maka eat one ripe banana, I like it. Because I said I'm good and I said, good you think about it, good you never see nothing back. That's nice, you know, she eating the ripe banana, but Maka can't go in my video. But the banana thing there for me. Big up yourself, Maka Diamond. Big up yourself, mama. Banana short, girl. The song match with the video, see, Maka. The song match with the video bad. If you match the song with the video, there, you sell off. Song bad, you know. If I walk and I watch myself. Got bad mind. People, hey, the world today wicked, you know. The world today turn into one something. My God. I can't believe what this the world turn into. You look at the people who live alive the rest of the way. Just want to kill you for no reason, not for be yourself, not for free. You must be like Satan and like really, you know, evil. And just being evil. And just be like that. Me can't be like that, but that's what the world become. The eviler you is the easier life is for you than being nice. I'm telling you that. The bitchier you is better life is for you. People don't like when you be nice to them no more. They don't. They absolutely don't like you to be nice to them anymore. If you're nice to them, they start treating you like shit. But if you treat them like shit, they wouldn't be like that with you. Trust me. Trust what I'm telling you. Up on a dark ship, I'm stepping out. I just open a dog shit me stepping on. So you know, I went to Macy's and I was sitting there because I want something flat for my foot. Now I have a lot of shoes reminding you know that. You know that I have shoes and never wear it. But I want something more flat. So when I walk with my music out the door for the rest of the time, I bring my box. I don't have nothing high on my foot. Nothing high on my foot and all them things, you know what I mean? So I went in there and I was looking around. And I put my foot in my shoes and I go to see I need Olivet or something like that, I need help. And I was like, whoa, when I look, I see one next girl and one next boy, I whisper and I watch me. And I swear me I fight with the booth to try to put my foot in there. I was like, damn, I put my foot back out and I was like, damn, you know, they already see me. But I mean, that's how I force my foot in the shoes. If you can't go, you just can't go. I mean, it's funny because those are the ones that was on sale, you know. Yeah. You know, them aisle boot, them say if you fight for like a zipper, they back push your foot in there, so you kind of hard for your fight for get in there, so because the zipper, that's one up strap them to the front, or it's strap up. You can't get a problem if you get a foot in some of them shoes there. Some of them shoes there, you have to go sit down and take a time and put them on. Take time. So, yeah, I end up just get to, I end up go Manhattan, because she go Manhattan have 34, they have more option. And I go over there, I end up get one ballet, something like a ballet, something like a ballet. I think they were 69, but they're comfortable. But the problem was the front of it. The front of it is kind of like round, around it, like on my feet, like around. So I cut it to the scissors, because you know I don't wear nothing like the way I buy it. I'm always fixing things. I know it's shot at the song I shot banana short, girl. Them goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana short, girl, a goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep short, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana short, girl. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a short, them a play dickle daggle. Girl say she pretty, but you know them not me say goggle, them fi goggle. Come goody, me say come for my ring. Come aisle back, me say come do your thing. Olivet smell it and we a bring this thing. Girl never talk them fi goggle. Goggle them fi goggle. Google now your throat, girl, tell me where you find. Have enough man on your damn bad mind. You try to stop me, you have to trap me all the time, but right now y'all no collect dime. A girl have to swallow if she wanna get a kind. Goggle them a goggle. Song sell off though, everybody a talk about it, man, I lie. Oh, for black about it, then I go black about it, and I say no other black girl black about my song or artist. None. Not one. They wouldn't even mention it on them tongue. That's the struggle, dog. But I just keep myself to myself. That's why, because, you know, if it sound better enough people sing, then I like that. But it sound better enough, the majority of songs we are playing right now. This come and just lick them out of the box. I lie, I truth. Because when I listen to all of them and put mind in the mind, lick them out of the box. The sound of it, the dance, make you want to dance. You want to deal with music where you want to dance, you want to be happy. You know, everybody have them thing, everything I go on from, I get me wrong, but I sing it right now at Panny Bass. It's just like a fun song and it at Panny Bass right now. Yeah. I don't want to lie, me I tell to goody. Speak the truth and cast it out to 12. And everybody share my video and I say share that them love the song. Everywhere I talk about it. All the kids, them love it. You know, and it's clean. It's Google friendly, it's radio friendly, it's clean, man. You know what I mean? Banana, I change everything nice, clean. And it's funny. See, they ain't got doctor and them body look like an ass in a saggle. You see me? My old clothes I have on from last year. Because I have so much stuff. I had to wear them, but I need to wear them because I wear some old things that I have so much just sitting back up in there when I wear, so I need to wear them sometime. I had the old sitting from last year. See it there? See it there? You see me? Yeah. Come on, go inside now. It's kind of dark out here.
My friend lived right around the corner.
See, Macy's me to buy this. See, you can spend all in a two, all kind of way, 69. But it's comfortable, you see it? It's comfortable. So I slit it, catch my foot around to make sure it's just well comfortable, not a problem with it. So I can walk up and down, but you know I had a lot. Yeah, but you can bend right into it, rubbery. You can bend right into it, it's flexible, soft inside like a pattern. Yeah, so I slit those right there. And two little slit to make sure the part not up my foot too much. And it's comfortable flat, yeah. You know, comfortable. Yeah, so I'm going to go inside. I don't have no time for people now worry about life and worry about what am I going to eat in my dream. I can't worry. When people want to see and play and talk bad about me, I don't care. I know some people, I have ex-boyfriend who are really nuts, like really crazy. And they're just jealous and bad mind for me. But I don't bother, watch them. Just do what I got to do. Because at the end of the day, if it has no sense, no matter what I tell people, I realize who has sense and who has no sense. So, at the end of the day, that's it. My dress I have on. You know this dress makes with shorts tonight. Make with shorts, purple shorts, and like a purple shorts. So I was sitting from last year. Comfortable. I like it because I don't like it because of the material down here. It's like see-through. This part is like see-through and it's shiny. It looks like flowery, like, yeah. It's very beautiful. I bought this in Asplines last year in Queens. In Asplines. Last year. Beautiful piece. Yeah, beautiful. And on the back leg, you make with a crisscross. To the back, make with a crisscross. To the back. You see? Crisscross. Yeah. Get off the street here, it's dangerous. Trust these people. So much hateful people are here in this life. You don't know what they hate you for, why they hate you. You don't know what they're up to. Just psychopathic. Let me get my keys out and get inside this house here, because some people are just crazy, I don't know. They're just crazy, because I'm going to train them to sit there and watch me. And this is to go to the next part of the train. I'm going to go sit down. One mind time to get and go back to the next part where a lot of people there. But I'm looking left and I come to the next part. They might watch me. And then the train come off and I watch and I don't know. I start making go and I go. Let me go inside because when I trust people in nasty ways here. In this life here, you don't trust nobody. So people have problems and they want to make it look like you have mental problem and you have a problem when they have a problem. I hate when people like that, especially man when they can't get your stuff. They don't walk around and tell a lie upon you. Them place could have dirty like a hot pen. And you fix up and then walk around and tell us how you do it and you this and you that and all kind of stuff. You know, people wicked. So I try to get them way out, but man is like that and then down. No man when you want the problem. Then down, no man. The kitchen don't clean up, no goodie. Aye. Like kitchen look like nothing, you know, like you abandoned. You look abandoned. If one plate of the sink to go wash out. You look abandoned in here because see in here become abandoned, man. See in here look like you abandoned, you see? You see, kitchen. I know. Okay, make the pineapple. I'm gonna have some fish. One or two slices of fish, because I don't want the pineapple fish. And I said, I copy when I go there, I go buy it from the restaurant and see them, but I really love it. So I have some pineapple there, and I'm gonna wash my hands and come and make two slices of fish with some pineapple. You know, I'm hungry. If I go eat, I can't get my bed hungry. Oh, Barry must be on my bed asleep. I will come in. I bet. You come in like you're my man. I bet they on my bed. Why? 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 Look at the foot, man. Shit. Why? Why? Yeah. Sure. No, mom lick up my foot on the exercising weight them and buck up through the shoes. You know the shoes soft. I don't know how soft the shoes is and comfortable. The shoes not gonna protect me from that shit. What I laugh for? I all laugh. Cause shoes comfortable. See tomorrow I put on it back again. Don't tell if you see me like this. Because I can't put up aisle shoes. And the other shoes I'm gonna wear was the other shoes I was gonna wear was this one because I haven't wear this one since last year. I must wear this one, so I haven't wear it again. So I was gonna wear this one because I have so many. But all this thing about a perfume aisle, towel for the damn place. Barry, you're gonna come on from my bed, you know. Come on from my bed, yo. Auntie Rod sitting. Water them away, so ashtray, lighter. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. So it's from last year. Yeah, I love it too, but I gotta go and cook. I gotta go and cook some food. I love you. Oh. Play the song again. No, we're not going to cook when no one play song now. We're not going to cook. Oh, man, we're not going to cook. Come on, like my dogs, man. I like stuff all over my room and all the clothes. Get that buried. I like stuff on the bed. I don't like stuff on the bed. And don't go to my clothes to sleep because I don't understand why the plastic thing is not on top. Why the plastic thing keeps falling off. Then I don't go night and sleep. So I'm trying to get rich and get me nice little place and sitting here now. To get rich and get more house, man. Come on, no. I don't like and share and go subscribe to the sitting there. All I want to make you live in this kind of condition. I think my body want a man too. I'm a good girl, you know, but my body want a man to see how you think, say me not dead yet. Well, a man like a dry please water. Now a serious time you have, baby, with your body. Nowadays I can't even skin teeth no more because some of these men are dangerous. They walk around and sleep with all kind of women. Long as they can get, long as they have a couple dollars and they can pay, they go with anybody. And when they don't know who you run up and wheel, you know, when that's the problem, tiger problem. Trust me. Nobody can tell me nothing, you know. Once you know you like that. Trust me. Sometimes people talk and tell people some things and nothing go so, you know. Not a thing no go so. Because they can't do what they want to do. Some man wicked and nasty, you know. You see, I think they're nice. They do all kind of sitting just because they can't get food go at this so. They're going to see a man, you're disoriented, something wrong with your brain. Man, she's crazy. Man, she's this. Man, she's that. But if they get a chance to run down with you, you know. They get a chance to run down with God, not go so. Children cannot get them way. Now in life as a woman, in life you try to better yourself in life and looking up and trying to do things. Life things are easy. People want to get up already and go and say life easy. Life easy, life's not easy, life hard. Things hard in life. Life itself not hard, but things hard in life. Because people make it be hard, you know what I mean? They make it be hard. Damn, it's a big fart. Sorry about that. I just don't like stuff all around. I don't feel comfortable. Only stuff to throw down. I go and I cancel. I pick up anything I throw down. I cancel. I take them up all the time. because I say, I constantly take up all the time because if you don't cut the old place, will look like garbage. These are me buying a Macy's last year, but I love these. Love these, still love them. You know, I sugar that the money buying them. My wife must ask him, where you buy all this thing and the card for all the things and everything. But anyway, I Macy's me buy this last year downtown. I love this. Still nice. It's comfortable, it's good as much as the arch. And the tie up your foot. So this me no way with this, but I can't have a shop me I go to put on up a just go drop something, get somebody me for me kiss and go to all them sitting so. But it's beautiful. Throw them back on top of this. So. Whole pair shoes up on this. So whole pair of boots, whole pair sitting. So one of them never go wear them. I buy some jeans slippers the last time I saw the slippers, my brother wear them there. I guess start pat them one side for say get to somebody in Jamaica. But want them. People in America can't even get it. People in Jamaica need them more. Well, some of them not all, because some Jamaican people have more than American people. I hope you have more than what they have, so trust me. Nobody even want it. Sometimes they take that shit in your Facebook and tell us where you go with that. Yo, you think Jamaica foreigner like foreigners, you know, like foreign and something. Fight to the boat, I'm not going to pay a crowd to watch me fight to the boat. Why I can't get a privacy, brother? It's like a mad me. Tell you the truth. I want eat me. And then, you know the worst thing about it, I'm not like with some people. Some of them not going to like me for this. But if you see me, you see how good I guess. I know she like me and she eat me what the problem is, but I see her, right? And she walk with the next girl. But I never know them, I don't know them, you know. And me she call the girl like that, say, Sherry. So the girl like continue and she like Sherry and she scream and she like, yeah. Like when I turn on the girl, turn on to her. When the girl stop my showing to the girl, I whisper to the girl, I look at me. But just turn off and go up one next street. Come and say, what big excitement for? Just say hi and done. Some people walk up to me, take picture and say hi, Olivet. If you just say hi and done or nothing. For the excitement of you whisper and look at me like it's a drunk while you lift me up. I don't like that, man, because, you know, I feel like I'm a normal person. I come show off. I'm not a show off person. I go out and put all flip-flop me and put my foot and sit. I'm not show off. So I don't see the excitement, show off for nothing. I broke, I not nothing. I'm not rich. I remember rich and that make a show off from people because money you can't quit see. So Rita Franklin, whatever her name she did. Ah, God. Yes, it's heavy on my stomach tonight. Oh, gosh. So you see, she died and she don't take nothing with her. You know what I mean? I mean, that's just life. You know what I mean, Goody? You know, I'm not a stuck-up person or whatever. You know? You know that, right? Well, who don't want to, listen, you don't want to smell the fart? You don't have to be here. My goodies have tolerance. They're used to the smell and it doesn't bother them. So you don't like it, it's good. That means you will go. If you're complaining over it, that means you should go. The smell is killing you, right? So just leave. Leave. That's why when a man don't want to take care of you and don't want to do the shit you have to do, you have to drink a lot of milk so you could fart and shit all night. You know, fart constantly and turn them off so you can't bother. You know how much time you have to go through that? When I was living with my ex-boyfriend, I used to drink a lot of milk because I know when I start letting them off, boy, after them oxtail and milk and a whole bunch of eggs, you know, he's eating 7-8 eggs in the morning. When that pile up, I drink enough milk in the night, I'm going to keep me out there in one room and turn my back. You have a way to try to ease his body on me. And you go, burp, burp, and I mean, gosh, it stinks. You know, he never used to clean his inside like I clean mine, so you can imagine. And when he does that, man, I was fired up and I was ready for him. I was ready, girl. I was ready. And one of the bugs them breathe up in this much. I tell you, I was ready for him. I was like, you go like, poop, poop, and shoot off him, but it stink, you know. Hurt my feelings. I kind of turn my back and I start go, and it draws in a poop and it start again like a bike attack a corner. Yeah, because I have to have some, that's the only way, you know, to be honest. I know it sounds crazy, Goody, but that's the only way I could have fight back is to do the same thing that he was just doing to me. You know. In life, everybody have their story, and I'm telling you, sometimes I think about this shit, man, I just laugh, you know. I say, yeah, but my journey's not over yet, you know. You see, when people are wicked and bad mind and evil and don't want to see you reach anywhere, and some of them can't get their way, they always have something up their goddamn sleeve. But I tell you what, I love you too, darling. I tell you what, God is good, His mercy. Call in and get your celebrity white and get your cream. 3, 4, and 1 backlash celebrity white upon somebody, but I'm also going to make more. So call in and get a celebrity white. 347-469-3874. Call and get your skin cream. 347-469-3874. And your soap. See, I used to fighting back. I keep telling you, that was my weapon that I used. So they're going to keep coming after a while until I try to tell my mind to shut them off. I'm not in a war. And then it will stop. But for right now, my mind think that I'm fighting back with them again, you know. And that's why they start to come often. You know, you train, they be coming, boy, like, you know, I be getting them so much at that time, though. It started to make me embarrassed around people. Because they used to shout at other people, too, that was innocent when I go outside, like to the store, or I'm standing here talking to somebody, or selling my jewelry and my bleaching cream. Yo, man, it's so embarrassing. Sometimes I act like I don't hear, but I know the person here. I know they're looking at me, their eyes like, look at me like, you know. And so I don't look back at them. I have to wait a while before I can look back at them because I don't want to look in your eyes, you know. I don't want to. You know, it's like, you know, you do something wrong. You don't want to look at the person and like, you know, yeah, right, you know. Because it's not right. It's nasty. So you don't really want to look at them like, yeah, you know. Your eyes down like you're not paying attention. You know what's going on. So the hair could clear it up. Once the smell goes away, you can actually hold your head back up. And be yourself. This happened to one of my goodies too, you know. And Juliet, she's being unique as she does hair. She's cool, man. Juliet always support me, make sure she remember the money. Well, I want to be Juliet, you know. I love Juliet, you know. I never forgot Juliet. Never forgot Juliet. Juliet has some pretty kids too, like the kids that was in the picture with me. Never forgot Juliet, man. She do hair by Utica. She do I kind of weave and stuff. She used to be upstairs there by Utica. She moved further down. I one shop with the police station, in front of the police station. By Utica. I don't know if she's still there, but she has some beautiful kids too. But she's a good girl. Yo, many times I was hungry, I beat me no goodie. When I say hungry, I beat me no money in a man. I make a jewelry and sit down. Also, I remember saying I make money in my pocket if I buy stock for sale. Because I don't have it like that. So I buy only stock and left myself without money. I fear me, I feel like buy no goodie. Fear, you know. Sometimes when I come back by the time I come back, I broke me now no money, I nothing in my past. I stop by, I say, Jill, you need nothing? And she said, boy, I kind of stole nothing to a go on, but let me swear, me take something. She still end up take something from me out of what she make, even though she not making enough for herself. To make sure she make something I have. Yo, then say, look out good, man, I not lie. You know, some people just really look out how you make $1 million and say, boy, I see I must have to give them something. She's the kind of person like that. You know what I mean? She not give up for say she try look out for you for nothing at all. I just so she stay. You know what I mean? And she was cool. So she, you know, she were telling me a joke too. She was like, yo, no I talk her name, I don't want to tell her the joke, man, because she's my friend. But there's nothing wrong with that still. She went into the check cashing place, you know? And she went to pay some bill or something, and she had a headphone on her ears. You know, listen to the headphone and play the music and shit. And then she fought so loud, she said. But she never realized, you know, until, you know, the place she realized it's because of the headphone on her ears. Why she not hear it, you know, what the next person hear it, because you listen to the headphone, you know. And that was something else. Love you too, goodie. Love you too, mama. Love you too. Much love, respect. Love all of you. Yes, mama. God bless you. Love you too, mama. Love all of y'all. Out for heartbreak. Listen. If your heart broke, me no fix broken heart. So if your heart broke, don't come over here and speak Arab language and talk about your heart broke. Shoot you again. So one more day, don't come over here and take about your heart broke. So I keep shooting you. Okay? Told you that was my weapon. They're gonna keep coming until I shut it off. Don't come over here and say your heart broke, because I've never broke your heart. I'm a good person. Some of y'all nasty, man. You go around prostitutes and all over these places and y'all pick up infection diseases. And then you want to give it to somebody. Y'all want to freaking hide the disease that y'all have and act like y'all so perfect, you know. And then you want to lie up with somebody and give it to them. Act like your life is so perfect and it's so nice and it's so good. And all this. So y'all are nasty. That's why I don't do nothing, you know what I mean? Because you see, that's why I stopped doing stuff. I don't do it anymore. If I need anything, I have to look forward by myself and my 10 little boyfriends. You know? This is 5 of my little boyfriends and the other little 5 them. You know? Yeah, I gotta stop doing stuff, man, because some of these people are wicked. If them have certain things they want to give you to them, I tell you, say they not have done. All they want is sex. All they want is relationship. And them not tell you anything. You know what I mean? And that's the problem. That's why I don't want nobody. And me tan, and tan, no me tan. People can't say what they want to say, it doesn't matter. Because at the end of the day, I don't like that, you know? Don't act like you're perfect, you're so nice and you're so this and then. You know? If you get the chance to somebody and they won't tell him, you just go ahead and that's crazy. But now look at soul. Who want my number? What you want my number for? You see my lips, them look fat. What do you want my number them for? For what now? You're weak? Well, nobody be weak with you. You need to be strong in these days because the world is not like how it used to be. So don't be weak. You need to be strong. Because if you go out there, a while ago, me I come 2 man tap me there at Franklin Avenue. One attack, I distract me next one. And I tell them about one girl, just one big girl. And then call her one bad name. And how she just tripped down a girl up the road half naked. Take out her tampon and shove in at the girl mouth. And me I tell them, say, me no want to hear them sitting. I never know the man from other man. Me say, me no want to hear the devil same thing. And they continue talking. The next one through this, I try this trap. Me say, God bless you, now we're going and I'm going. I distract them, I distract for somebody come grab up my bag and run. I didn't think me idiot. Because I'm on the business. I tell her, I say, God is good, you know, child. I don't have no time for the evil ones, you know, because evil can't win. God is always going to be there. What about my fish, you know, I can't get fit hungry. I'm not too late now, but I'm hungry, man. I'm not going to bed, go eat. I'm going to try to sleep early, I'm not going to sleep, so. Me eat early now, but the food I done earlier. The food is finished there now earlier, so I'm gonna look about the fish, man. I am, trust me. Yeah, I love myself. I don't watch eat and bad mind people. Just gotta do what I gotta do and just keep doing what I gotta do. Yeah. I change from little mystery to little dream, you feel me? Yo! I'm in there, troublemaker. Yeah. Gackle dem a gackle. Big throat gal, dem a gackle. Man smile at them like a fool, dem a tackle. Banana throat gal, gackle dem a gackle. Banana throat gal, gackle dem a gackle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, dem a play the gackle. Gal say they pretty but you know them now. Me say gackle dem big gackle. Come good, me say come for the ring. Come I rock, me say come to the thing. And if it's smelly and I put your producing, some gal dem a talk and they can't go back. And dem a gackle. Deep throat gal, dem a gackle. Man smile at them like a fool, dem a tackle. Banana throat gal, gackle dem a gackle. Banana throat gal, gackle dem a gackle. Open up your throat gal, tell me what you find. Catch no man on your damn bad line. Dem a try stop me all the time, but right now they say them apologize. If I cannot run and she can't get a time, get up every day and the damn bad mind. But I gackle dem a gackle. Girl inna me face like a me she want me gackle. Gackle dem a gackle. Deep throat girl dem a gackle. Man smile at them like a fool, dem a tackle. Banana
Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle.
The song addictive, yeah, man. That's the problem. The song is addictive. The song is addictive. You're gonna play.
I change from lady mister to lady train.
It's addictive for now, you know.
Yo.
One song, go there.
I'm in there.
I don't think the house addicted like that. That's why I go up because they're addictive.
Yeah.
I love it so good,
goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Pants by like them a like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the goggle. Girl say them pretty but you know them now. Me say goggle, them they goggle, them they goggle, them they goggle. Come goody, me say come from the rain. Come I rock me say come to your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your bread sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't cover. And them a goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Pants by like them a like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Google na your throat girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man on your damn bad line. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a call it time. If I cannot wanna and she can't get a time. Get up every late and then damn bad mind. But I goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a me she want me goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Pants by like them a like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Them a talk and them a be take set. Goggle in them throat and that a take set. One man come and another one left. When me get talk and the one of them a take. Them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat girl a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body when you have like a horse in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat them a play the goggle. Girl say they pretty but you know they not up. Me say goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody, goody, me say come from the ring.
Come I'll back, me say come to your thing. Olivet smelly and now we can bring this.
Some girl them a talk but they goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle.
Alright, I'll cook a fish now. Man, I can't do it for hungry, man. Can't do it for hungry, man, nigga, man.
Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Pants by like them a like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle, them a goggle. Goggle, them a goggle.
She said she pretty and me up. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat them a play the goggle. Some gyal a talk but you know they not. Them say goggle, them say goggle, them say goggle, them say goggle. Come goody goody me say come farmer ring. Come I'll back me say come do your thing. And the best is smelly and now we can bring the sing. Some gyal a talk goggle, goggle them a goggle.
Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle.
Yeah, I love you guys too, man. It's sitting bad, man. It's sitting bad. So tomorrow, it's been raining today. I didn't get to get through because of the proper rain today. So tomorrow, I get up and go get the cover done tomorrow. Pay the man for everything and the print up and everything. So another couple of days, you're going to have it before, like by Wednesday, Thursday, I want them to be there. You have the CD, you're going to have the CD available. Also online. Yeah, man, everybody love it, goody. I mean, I love it too. You know, I love all the songs I do, but I really love this one. Because you just really love it. I like the words of it. I like the beat and everything. It's just nice, you know. It's just for now, you know. I told you guys I was going to really just music, but that one is not bad because it's not really too slack, isn't it? Right. And so on. Big up to Mama. Very good. Yeah, thank you too, singer. Sight, yeah. Bazette singer, I don't know. What is this, husband? Husband. Husband? That's my ex-boyfriend from Morocco. Is you hiding there? Oh, man. Why the guy talk about his broken heart, the Arab guy? Why you heartbroken, son? Ain't nobody... If you're heartbroken, this is sure not the place to come and fix it. I'm telling you. This social media is very wicked, man. You can't come and get your heart fixed. This is the wrong place. If a relationship is going bad and you come here to fix it, might as well you don't. Trust me. Because anything you put prayers are dead. So, if you're coming to get a fix, a broken heart is not going to fix. Because people are going to tell you what they want to tell you. You know what I mean? I love you too. I love you too. I love you too, man. Anne-Marie France, pick up yourself, man. Pick up yourself, Beverly Williams. Much love and respect, Becky. B-A-C-K, Becky. You stand. Big up Miguel. You're the banana sign. Big up yourself, mama. Becky, I'm the banana sign for the song, you know. And she promote the thing up. You see me, dog? Yeah. Pretty girl, Becky. Big up yourself, mama. Much love to mwah. Them kids look like it's your kids, you know. They could have passed off as your kids, them two little girls. Is those your kids or something? I don't know. They kind of look like you, man. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Little babies that I met on the street. Good night, sis. Good night, Stacy Anna. Yeah, much love to you, Becky. Much art and love to you, too. Much respect. Thank you for your love and support and kindness. You know, these days we don't get love and support and kindness no more. It's hard to find, y'all. It's hard to find out there. Yo, the world out there today is not the kind of thing. You're on the subway, you have to watch yourself. Everywhere you go, you have to watch yourself. Till it's not like before, baby. All the store, them, you notice all the go downtown look like ghost town. One time you could have just come your house and go to Flatbush or go downtown Brooklyn. And you're sure, and especially Flatbush, you're sure enough to get a nice pair of shoes or a nice dress without no doubt, whatever you're looking for. You must find something, you know. And nowadays, when you go to most of the stores in Flatbush, them never open, them closed. Them been locked down. Most of the stores in downtown is locked down. The whole place start to look like a ghost town. And, you know, I take a look at it and see that so much people are dying, right? And so much more people are dying so fast, more than people living, you know? And all these businesses are closing down. These places are locking down. And, you know, when it's hot a little bit, a lot of people come to the street. But it's not as much as before. It's like it gets scanty. You want to win all the people going. Man, that shit is a joke, man. Nothing is like the way it used to. Nothing. The prices, the places, the people. Like, nothing is the same anymore. I don't know why saying low network always. They always try to screw up my shit. With their bad mind itself. Who is this? One at a time. Yeah, the world has changed, man. It's not like one time outside no more. I'm telling you, things are different. It's not like one time no more. You have to just get your food and come back in your house. You can be glad feel like an internet for entertaining. We live like a prisoner. Everybody start to live like a prisoner now. It's not like one time. When I'm back home in Jamaica, like Guyana and all them places, Trinidad, people are living in paradise. They're living in heaven. So if you have money and you have your business, don't run come here. You go sell out the things and run come here. Okay, everyone go sell out the things and come here, come turn homeless, my youth. You sell out the things and back home and come here. That's the worst thing you could ever do. Worst thing you could ever do. Because for you to live long, you need a lot of clean oxygen. You need a lot of fresh fruits and vegetable and fresh water, natural stuff, natural fresh air, carbon dioxide from the tree and all them something there. You need all them natural things that we gonna get that much up here as much. So you age up here faster, you get old faster, and food that you eat, we cannot get no fresh food like we used to back home. Even when you buy it, you hard for you keep up on the greens and the fruits as much as back home you keep up on them a lot more. So when you live back home, you have paradise because you have a longer life back home. You have your house back home, you have food, you can have a long life, long, healthy life. You can have a long life and a long, sick life until you're dead. You don't need that. You want a long, healthy life. So people back home selling out them stuff to come here, man. Back home is paradise. You know, and it's good when you not left back home yet. Kind of bad now go kill you easy because you never left yet, you know. You can't live how you live. The bad now go kill you just so. You know, a few years and you did a live so, you know. And like when a foreigner coming and spend all the money, but that is paradise. When they can get fresh water, fresh food, comfortable without this whole power up and down. You have to go this so, you have to do this, you have to do that. You have to up and down. I see every day on the road, on the train, from this to this, so do this, so do this, so. I see up and down. It's not easy. It's not easy. You know, go to the subway, putting all those gunk you breathe in your lungs, all those black dirt from the train, and all those diseases. But the train are brushed down with the train and I need the subway there. But rats, when all the rats them breathe up on the rat, hear them. The rat hear them and they hope a rat feces them, crush out. The time had to become dust. When the train start to come and the tunnel, all that dust coming up in your ear, in your clothes, you know, in your mouth and all, both in your nose hole, in your ears hole, full up of muck and dirt. When the train pass and that shit blow up in a dust. Appear rat feces and dead rat meat and all kind of shit that go up in your mouth, in your clothes them. You go up on the subway, you think you clean, you hold on the freaking iron sitting in there. Millions of people. I go wash man, take off them clothes and go bed. Come talk right now, my skin start bite me. And funny like that in a dog. I start think like that. I start kitch my skin. Millions of people coming in and touch the train sitting. Some of them all kind of disease. Some of them mad and stink and vomit them shit. You see a Chinese woman yesterday get up and spit right my train right there over the seat. They spit right by the seat there. I backed up on one side and she get up on us two. On the next part right there. So car can spit. I couldn't believe it. I see me frightened. Just like that. You know what I mean? So imagine people with all kind of sickness, especially I never like when a morning time early, when a winter time, I go to the city go buy bleaching cream and some of them breaths like real strong in the morning there. And some people really, you don't know what kind of sickness they have. And like everybody pack up on the well and I breathe in your face and I breathe all about something you smell and the whole train smell stink. Yeah, I say the whole train smell stink. Something in that train stink up the whole blowout train. I say for the whole of people them stink so that train stink. You think I joke my youth? Yo, the struggle is real. You know, everybody come much million people sit down on the seat every day. You come and sit down on your good clothes, you know, and come and sit down on your bed. You're carrying all kind of freaking worms and all kind of disease for your clothes. And put all the chair, I'm going to sit down now, I'm not going to sit down, all this is not supposed to happen. So then take off my clothes and I come in here already. Call a chair, yeah? I sit down on in a shorts and I sit here. No, I'm going to sit down on it like this, I'm going to wipe my chair with bleach. Because when I wipe my chair with bleach and put up on my skin, I can bump up my leg and bump me up and no kind of disease upon my clothes. So someone take off the come inside and wash my hand. Take them off and wash me and wash off myself properly. You know what I mean? You know the train much people want all kind of lights and then clear like water. You can't even see them body lights and all kind of fuckery. Crawl off and itch up and come on your clothes and then you weave and you wig them. And so I'm glad I can't take off the wig and wash my hair. When I want a long weave like that on the train, I open a long weave like that on a damn train. We're sewing on my head. All kind of bugs and sitting in front of people head and crawl out. One day, when I train, I'm sort of next to one white girl, it start to bite me like lice. When I look to see the woman, I crouch for her head right next to mine. Me, when I start to bite me, sort of on side sudden, so. So I say, wait, I wish she just scratch out a fear head and crawl out, I crawl on my head, come face and crawl on my head. So she right there, so she put lice in my head. You know what I mean? I can't catch lice from the train, my love. It's a lot of things. It's a lot of girls dress up in a pum pum shorts, body ride and dress up clean. So they smell sweet and go on the train and sit down. They never walk with a towel in them bag. Then they walk with a nice towel food in them bag what they can carry. And then go up on the train and spread out that shit and sit down for your pum pum shorts, make your leg them dip on that. They have their legs spread out on the same dirty cranny sitting. If I take off there sitting here, because I have one stocking underneath my clothes. See them have one brown stocking and black stocking. Instead of what take off because I talk like this, I have a sickness. I have a sickness will take me for a long time. I thought it was somebody over me so. Right now I was telling about the sickness and I like me never tell them, I always tell them I'm sensitive. I have a sickness in my mind take me. Like if me I talk about like I talk about I know me if I go take off my clothes and go bed. Because I feel like me stocking and itch me like sitting and bite me through the clothes and through that me I thinking in my mind. And it's, of course it is dirty. On the train, I go sit down a while ago and touch up on the train and touch up on my phone. I go wipe it down. I come back on later. I go and go there because I take off them germs clothes here because we know me I talk about is real. And everything them tell about it and everything the public are going to tell about and tell about the people get all kind of sickness and dead. That's why you pick up germs. And next African man know him stink like dog. I want to go sit on the train, him stinking. You know man when they good you know? Stink. Dirty. That's a Persia rotten with on the train, a rotten with sore and him thing. And I say, yo, I can't understand it. No one ex-African man used to buy bleaching soap from him and bleaching cream from him. When he used to on Fulton Street, he used to carry get a lot of stuff from Africa. And he used to get so small little white soap. Them little small around your hand, but them strong. Good them no matter how I used to get them from. Me a pass yesterday for go do my nails. I got the nail place yesterday go do my nails. And child me tell her my heart nearly bleed. When me look, me see the man turn up. The same African man in the big business place. The man have much work and business place and he rent out to other people. Me see the man stand up in one dirty jacket. Fingernail them dirty in one dirty pants. The man mother shot, dirty. Turn up at the corner at Beckford. Me couldn't believe me I say. The same man I used to buy all this stuff from. Me couldn't believe, could he? Me say, oh God, we see that. So people take life for granted. But what me I tell you is facts. So me come back on if anything, let me take off this stuff off of my skin. Because as me attack with the dirty frock I have on for the train and post and sit down all about, I want to get this off my skin. Because talking about it, I go feel like sitting and bite me on my clothes and like lice really nice. I'm going to take it out and put it in the bag out this stuff for wash on the clothes them. So I know me I talk about it's true. A lot of germs are sitting up on the train, all bed bugs. People sit on the train and up a bed bug around on all the train. It's nasty. So I take off this and go wash my hand. Make it back to Antonio. Yeah, love you guys. I can't nobody say for some stay then I just so it is. If I look for me look when the other man throw something for me that start to make me feel funny. Like sometimes I put on my clothes and my beard and I go out. It's real bad sometimes. Like I put on my clothes and I go out and I go up on the train and I go up on the train and for inside the train is so filthy. Before the train has so much dirt and muck on it. And then dash with some water or somebody vomit or some kind of nasty shit on the train and it smells stink and my skin start to bite me. I find myself like start to scratch my knee, chew me stocking and just scratch my foot and also. And I continue to look on the dirt and I imagine how mucky and all they sitting out and wash it out with no bleach and all they sitting all long. So that's what happened. I guess I'm not the only one like that. There's other people have the same kind of sickness too. Can't look on certain thing. Me take up one of my skin till it bleed. Yeah, it happened to me one time too. And it hard to get over because we have one goat named May. I tell you one goat named May. We call it cranny. Me feel cranny. In Jamaica you call it cranny. Me have one goat named May. And it was a goat and she eat dumpling, she eat chicken back, she eat anything we eat. And she come right to the house like a berry that they here. And the pastor man has some bad dog and the dog them tear her up and kill her. And them put her down her back like they never bury her properly. How them never bury her properly or something, a shallow grave or whatever, them dig it out or whatever. I say, dog. And let me tell you something. I never know which part they draw the body or which part of her body they. So I scratch my foot then now. My foot me a scratch. You see that on my ankle. And they start from. And for wash my hand, because I say the same dirty hand and scratch my foot. But I think me wash my hand for me coming and I remember. I'm on the phone. So when me look good, when me go and find the goat, where the goat end up is a white spot me see. A white spot me see a rain did a fall in the morning. Rain did a drizzle. And you know when you don't have on a water boat, you don't have on a shoes, and you go through the bush them, you feel cranny. Because you come a nasty, you see snail, you see snail, a crawl, you see all kind of sitting on your foot, naked. As me I go through now, wait till me run up in one big white spot, where me look like one goat lay down, one white goat lay down. I said, but of a white goat I could have laid on the ground. When me look at the same goat, I pay a maggot to turn into. But the magic shear out, the maggot them shape out just like how the goat lie down in a white, I pay a maggot to turn. So I'll foot them long out, I pay a maggot. When you see that blood clot, they say, girl, I gotta go. I can't think about them sitting here. Let me take off my clothes. Me can't forget it. I was so young, goody. That shit damaged my mind. Until today, me can't get over here as a big man. Me can't get over when me see the fucking worm, them a move up. And they look like just like what the goat lay down, like the goat lay down there. The foot them like what the goat did and the foot them stiff. Everything shape out like a goat. But it just a move. When I look at the stone white, my God. Me don't know. Me can't take something there, something me can't take, man. Me love you know. I'm not wash off my hand and get out them dirty something and cleanse off myself. Cleanse off my hand and sit in car. And the training man is think a while ago and I'm dirty sitting there. Me take off them clothes here. Me love you know. Okay, please understand. Yeah. Me not like that. What you mean, oh God, what happened? First of all, nobody over here no stink. That's a first of all. Nobody over here no stink. If you don't want to watch, you have to come over here and I go on like people. Nobody no stink. I gas. Me let off. Who no like the gas, come with me gas in your mouth. Yes, it's nasty looking. I don't want to think about it no more. I gotta get these dirty clothes off my skin, okay? So I can feel good. I don't feel good anymore. Because it's really nasty in the train and stuff. Let me wash off myself. My body clean, but my hand and my foot them not clean. And my phone and my clothes me have on. Stop putting your number on the line. Why you all putting your number on the line for people to call you for? How much time I tell you not to do it and every time you freaking come back over here do the same thing? Why? How people run sex line over here, date line, number for what? Somebody I look front? Nobody for there with? Fucking stupidness all the time. Let's come out of dirty clothes and me I go there and go wash me and come in the train them. I don't want to slow and get on my skin. Bumpy on my skin like some girl body jaw bumpy. Some blacky on the body jaw and all that sitting there. I can't tell them sitting there. I take off the dirty clothes them here. I sit down on the train. I don't trust them people on the train and all them stuff there. Because right now, they don't care about the fear. Nobody don't care about washing the train, Dettol or J's on the train. They don't care about that. They don't care about that. So I take out the dirty clothes them. I'll come back and deal with them. Let me just come out of them dirty clothes here. Here. Come and catch a germs on my skin. I know what I talk about. I have very funny skin. Very funny skin. Alright, goodie.